We got him. We got him in sight. Back off. That's forward and
WXXL HD1 to Ferries, Orlando.
From the Abercrombie PA Studios, your auto accident attorney 24/7.
Son of a bitch.
PA.com.
Wayward commercials.
Till that car either runs out of gas or there's the but yeah, he's just going to keep a yeah, it's going to be a little cat and mouse. Yeah, yeah. Well, you know, you'd wonder the driver, the stolen vehicle, his adrenaline, it must have peaked and fell by now. You got to wonder, this guy's probably thirsty. You know, playing cat and mouse with the law enforcement like that is never a good game. As far as I've known, except for Tom and Jerry, the mouse always is the loser in the end. And in this case, the law enforcement, definitely the cat. That Mustang, though, just stay in arm's length out of reach of those officers. And like you said, it really seems like he's doing the, I'm going to slow down, I'm going to speed up. Oh, look, he's getting up behind me there. And here we go. Boho! Soon as I said it, that is a pit maneuver. So you got to wonder if that engine shut off or not, because this guy hasn't given up in the past. Usually when they do that, those motors will stall. In this case, it looks like that car is stopped. That light coming back on from the LAPD. I'm getting wider just to show that there's just two California Highway Patrol vehicles right there, and they're giving this guy a little bit of a berth, which is unusual. Right now, though, you can see him kind of fidgeting around, maybe making that decision. I see that lap seatbelt across that white shirt, so hasn't taken off that seatbelt, so it doesn't seem like he's made this decision like it's over. He's still kind of thinking about it, but definitely a pit maneuver of all pit maneuvers. Doors open, hands are up. Woo! And we're gonna have to go for fuel, but definitely want to at least see this guy pop his head out of the car. We're just so we making it very clear.
Oh, he's chasing the car right there. Oh, man.
It means it's artificial intelligence. If you solve search, that means you can answer any question.
Damn,
Which
I'm
means
mad.
you can do basically anything.
But we're still going to be reeling over this with the higher totals in the lakes and reservoirs and the creeks. And another shot of heavy rain tonight. Right now, we are quiet. It's mostly cloudy. The showers have been east. This afternoon, possible in tonight. Cold front moves through with about 68. Some areas will last. The showers will last into the morning hours. Saturday, 84.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.